Hello. It's the cusp of late 11 to midnight, Friday, September 17th, 2022, and Saturday, September 18th, 2022. So, my read on this situation is the following. An alarm started to go off in my room. I just left. Now the fire trucks are here. That actually makes sense to me. I'm sure they'll check things out. But the second layer on things is that the alarm had turned off. I'm waiting for a taxi and everything. And I walked back into my room. So I have my rings. They were on near my papers. And I was sort of evaluating the situation, and I was scared because my actions meant that I left the door open with the latch. And twice or three times as I was walking to it's tense conflict. I'm sort of reacting to people with that meaning. As I was walking in my room, right around like the foyer of my room studio, where there's a desk and where there's this sink, little place where it would mean like walking towards the door or walking towards the bedroom, the beeper, the alarm went back on. So I mean, people react to alarms. You have a sense of what they mean. It's sort of the name of the game on alarms. People in the field know specifically what it is, but to the layman, there can be a feeling about it. Like you can recognize a fire alarm, you can recognize a police car, you recognize ambulances. There are things you have intuition about. So my intuition and understanding is there's a sensor. The alarm is a sensor. Someone connected to my moving in the room and making the alarm go to indicate they don't want me in my room is the feeling. It had to do with any emotion connected to a decision to stay in my room and proceed with my night. So obviously this is a very meaningful scene because of what you're seeing on the camera. So I'm going to turn the camera off and save my memory and just see how things develop and proceed. I'll just give a quick run around because it's meaningful to just capture maybe some people in the lens. I'm having trouble getting people, but there are people there. I don't know if it captured it. There are people there. I don't know if that captured it. That's the courtyard. This is the residence. I tried getting the moon and the stars in the camera, but maybe that's not so great and would be for another day. There's the American flag. I don't know if you captured that, but that's a very important thing. And here's water with pond, overall gardens and park of this hotel complex. So it's now September 17, 2022. And not to go without notice that this is a Jewish holiday. This is Shabbat, and it's also a period of sacred preparation to our high holy days. The Shabbat before the high holy days. So doing anything to ruin my home and to not want me at home is meaningful along those lines of hate and prejudice too.